Alright, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch pricing is back in the spotlight, and this latest leak makes the rumored price hikes look even more likely. After earlier reports pointed to higher prices in Germany, we now have another leak from France telling a very similar story. And if you've been planning to upgrade, you might want to prepare your wallet. According to multiple reliable sources, Samsung isn't just increasing the price of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, the entire Galaxy Watch 9 lineup is expected to become more expensive, with price hikes ranging from €30 to €50 depending on the model. So this doesn't look like a premium-only increase. It seems to affect almost every new Galaxy Watch. Let's start with the flagship. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is now rumored to launch at €749 in Europe. That's €50 more than the original Galaxy Watch Ultra, which debuted at €699. If this leak turns out to be accurate, it'll be Samsung's most expensive smartwatch yet. The standard Galaxy Watch 9 models are also expected to cost more. The leaked European pricing includes the Galaxy Watch 9 40mm Bluetooth at €409, up €40. The 40mm LTE version is expected to cost €459, a €50 increase. The 44mm Bluetooth model is rumored to launch at €439, while the 44mm LTE version could cost €489. Both 44mm models are expected to see a €30 increase over their predecessors. Now here's an important detail. These leaked prices come from France, which means they already include VAT. Samsung typically maintains consistent pricing across most Eurozone countries, so if this leak is accurate, markets such as Germany, Spain, Italy, the Netherlands, Belgium, Austria, Portugal, Finland, Ireland, and several others will likely see the same €749 starting price for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. But what about the rest of the world? That's where things get a little uncertain. As of today, we simply don't know. This leak only covers Europe, so there are no credible prices for other regions. You may have already seen articles claiming the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 will cost around $700 in the US. For now, take those estimates with caution. They're not based on leaked retailer listings or official information. Most are simply assuming Samsung will apply the same €50 increase to last year's US pricing. That could happen, but Samsung has also adjusted pricing differently across regions in the past, so it's far too early to call. At the moment, the only confirmed comparison we can make is in Europe. The Galaxy Watch Ultra goes from €699 to a rumored €749. Everything else remains unknown until Samsung officially announces regional pricing. So why the price increase? There are a few likely reasons. Modern smartwatches now pack faster processors, more memory, larger storage, bigger batteries, and increasingly advanced AI features. Component costs have risen over the past year, and Samsung appears to be passing at least some of those costs on to consumers. Of course, a higher price is only easier to accept if the product delivers meaningful upgrades. That's going to be the real question once Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Will the expected performance improvements, AI features, battery upgrades, and software enhancements be enough to justify paying more? We shouldn't have to wait much longer. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 alongside the Galaxy Watch 9 series at Galaxy Unpacked on July 22nd, where we'll finally get official pricing from markets around the world. Until then, the rumored €749 European price remains the only credible pricing leak we have, and if it's accurate, Samsung's next generation of smartwatches is shaping up to be noticeably more expensive than before. Peace.